Welcome back to my channel. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says simple sentences. Class, say it. Simple sentences. Igbo English. The first sentence here is M ga-egosi gị, meaning I will show you. M ga-egosi gị, I will show you. M means I. Ga means will. Ga means will. Show means egosi. Why you means ge. This ga is an auxiliary verb that helps the main verb egosi. Ga egosi. Ga egosi ge. I will show you. When you hear ga, know that it shows future tense. It is an auxiliary verb that shows future tense. Ga agwa gị. Class, say it. Ga agwa gị, meaning I will tell you. Ga agwa gị, I will tell you. Ga agwa gị. Ga agwa gị, meaning I will tell you. Ga agwa gị, meaning I will tell you. Maybe you have an occasion you want to attend. The person will tell you, ga agwa gị. I will tell you, maybe I will tell you the date. He or she will tell you the date. Ga agwa gị, meaning I will tell you. That means I will remind you. Say it again, class. That means I will remind you. Write the meaning of I will remind you here. Ga eso gị, I will follow you. Class, say it. Ga eso gị, meaning I will follow you. Ga eso gị, I will follow you. Number 5 says dash means I will call you. Dash means I will call you. Write the meaning of I will call you. Here is gap. Ga enyere gị aka, I will help you. Ga enyere gị aka, I will help you. Ga enyere gị aka, meaning I will help you. Ga ahụ gị, I will see you. Ga ahụ gị, I will see you. Ga ahụ gị, I will see you. Remember, anywhere you see I, it means in Igbo. If you see I, it means If you see ga, it means will. The next word will be a verb. Like and share our videos. Follow for more. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.